Ni kukusiwe unenania muno muvyo mbungeni ya kaunti ya Makueni kukonia kwolotoa kwa ofisa amwe wa kuungamia athukumi muveani wao itinda kitali Mbithi woni itina walivoti ilaya yato mbungeni inoni nzama ya maundu mao iti na wima wa mwene ndi kumbwa kana ona itina wa kwedhi wa ofisa uyu wa vitu kithitwe ni mbunge inonda isa kwedhi wa kithito chawe ya kuthukuma atawe chief officer itina wa nzama ya wandikani serikali ni ya kaunti ya Makueni kwa kana kwedhi waita isa kumwetikilia kuma mwanani wa director ula watwe aidho kumatwe kwa tene na ke mwandikito movo kuma kaunti ni ya Makueni Caleb Chalo.
Kwatiana na ripoti ya nzama ya uitile somi mbungeni ni MCM Olote Elizabeth Muli ni kaneti na wakoloto na kuvitikithwa ni mbunge ose mwana wa chief officer wa maundu ma human resource muvyani wa uiti Dr. Mbithi ameandikia nzama ya wandikani ha serikali enu akulitie etikilwe kosa livu ya vinda ya saa mwanyani wa director ulona thukuma ukuliola nzama eno yaleandile na guo na kwenda etikile kutia wiyo wa director atakasi okavo ingi na kuosa mwanya wa chief officer ula wanengetwe ni governor Mutula Kilonzo Jr. Mbunge ni manithiwe kana kuma na ngusanisyo ithi cia ofisa uyu na nzama eno ya wandikani mbike ya uyu ofisa uyu ethitwa akikwata musala wa director onetina wa kwithe wa OC ofisi u na ambisya wia ata chief officer. Ni ripoti ila yetie VOV na muaniko munene wa mawoni kati wa MCA ayako wa muma kemutetea ofisa uyu na angi makiungama na muungamo wa nzama ya wandikani ya kaunti ya Makueni.
When I look at this matter, we have three gaps which needs to be addressed. The gap number one, we need to hear from the person in existence. How come that he did not sign the letter of offer, which was there? Because he never sent a letter of offer. And if he signed it, then it did not originate from the Public Service Board, who declined.
MCA wanzawe kelele Kalamba Francis Mutuku ni watetea muungamo wa nzama eno ya wandikani aimwenda ofisa uyu asa kuwewe ya umwe.
Dr. Harvey has two options. It is either is a CEO or a director. So without going around this subject, Mr. Speaker, it is for Dr. Harvey to tell us whether he wants to retain his position as director or he wants to be a CEO. He cannot choose both.
Munini wa Ndongo Yala anini mbungeni enu ulenge ni MCA wa Ukia Engineer Jackson Dolo akienda mia hukuatiwa.
Assembly cannot exercise two-sided face. We need to make a stand. We need to be clear on this issue and follow what is supposed to be followed.
Speaker wa mbungenu Douglas Mbilo ni wamenenga nzama ya maundu mao iti mbungeni enu na wakwambilelia wachumwa chokete kwete ripoti Mbithi yanu ya kelengeseke.
That the officer is required to accept the appointment by the government.
Caleb Chalo, Mutongo TV, Vilingi wa Maovo.